This video is just going to show you how you can create new onboarding or new hire packets for your people. All you have to do is go to the Onboarding tab. Make sure that you've uploaded the documents that you want first in the document section on the last video, as well as made all those that you want signable. What you then can do is just go to the packets template. You'll see I've already made a few packets, but I'm going to show you today how you can make a new one. All you have to do is type the name. So maybe this is for my full-time employees. This is going to ask you if you want to attach any documents. Generally, when you hire somebody new, documents is what you're going to be sending. So you're going to say yes, select documents. Select the documents that you want for that specific packet. And maybe who you want to sign them, whether that be their direct manager or a specific admin that you have in your system. You can select from those different options. This one you can see is not signable. You can attach documents that aren't signable. Maybe it's just an employee handbook that you want them to view, but they don't need to sign. You can still attach those to any packet that you create. You'll then just add those documents. You can see that it's going to have a start date of when you want them to have received those or viewed those or had those filled out. Once I've got them all in there, I'm just going to hit next step. This is where if you've got any team tasks for new hires, whether that be getting them a new computer or a login or create an email. And maybe it's the manager who does that, or you have a tech admin who does that. You can assign who you want to do that. For example, I'm going to have Brad create their email. The next thing that you're just going to do is you're going to create a first day message. You can welcome them to your company. And when you do send out this packet each time, it's going to give you the option to either send this first day message or not send it. And I'm just going to put the location of maybe HQ. It's our headquarters. What to wear, it's casual. And then maybe just a special instruction, park on the left. Something simple just to help them out. And then also on their first day, who they're going to meet, whether that be the front desk person. With these, if they have their photo in Eddy, it is going to send their picture, so they'll be able to see who to look for on their first day, just to give a more familiar and a more comfortable first day feel. You then can just review your packet and you can save that as a template. It's now been saved and it's in here. Then what will happen is as you onboard a new employee, I'm going to come over to one of my categories. There we go. So Madison's got the offer and she wants to take it, so I'm going to hire her onto my company. As I add her as a new employee, it's going to have me fill out a few quick things in here. I'll just pick a date in the future. Who the manager is going to be. Let's see. Awesome. And everything else should be filled out from their application. You add that employee, and then all you have to do, you then can add them to the different policies. I'm going to skip this for now because that's not for this video. I'm going to say don't show this again. I've got it. And this is how you create your packet. So because you already have packets created, you're going to come in here and we'll do the full-time packet that we just created. I can edit it before I send it off. I can say, actually, I don't want to send the first day message. Maybe there's some reason you don't. But you can edit any of these, add an additional document if you need to, or take one off, or add an additional message to this to specify it to that person, and then you just send it off. And it will just go straight out to that employee as soon as you invite them, or you choose not to invite them. So right now I haven't invited her, but her stuff's all set up of what she needs. And then when I am ready, I can send over that invite, which will invite her to fill out those documents, as well as the invite to join Eddy.